Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. And today is the 2022 July the 8th. How to live trade Forex. Today shall be our focus to find out which are the currency pairs we should focus. Alright. Okay, so which are the potential one? Okay, let's go through. Okay, before we actually take action. Okay, so yes, I think this is going to be interesting. All right, so today is Friday. Once again, a reminder that Japan election is coming. All right, on this coming Sunday. So next Monday probably will be a tough day. Okay, not a tough day anyway. It's going to have a lot of volatility. So once the market opens, you will expect to see a very big gap. Either big gap up or either gap down. Okay, so this is what we are expecting to see. Alright, so once again, excuse myself for the Mandarin. OK， 好，谢谢大家回到我的这个 YouTube 频道里面。OK， 那么呢，现在在这个时段里面呢，我们要在这里，跟大家一起呢，去寻找出一些比较有潜能的货币对。然后我们呢，等一下在3点钟，北京时间3点钟的时候呢 ，OK， 我们呢就会开始在线上一起分析，一起进单子，而且可以一起这个讨论，好不好？所以记得订阅我的这个 YouTube 频道。Alright，so 还有呢，就是在马来西亚呢，我们呢也有了一个学习的一个课程的群，那么我会在里面教课。那么呢，有兴趣要报名的人呢，可以将在这个 YouTube 的 description box 里面呢，有我的 YouTube 有我的 Facebook page 的链接，你们都可以到里面去报名。OK， 我有一位 Jamie， 就是我的 support。OK， 那么呢，他会协助大家。OK， 好的，那么在这边的话呢 ，OK， 我们就先来开始，就先分析一下，好不好 ？Alright， so let's come back here, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, so. Yes, okay. Thank you, Hubert. CK, 你好. All right, and Renette, 你好. All right, so okay, Cowboy, nice to see you here, and Alan, Aiden. Wow, good, great to see all of you here. All right, so let's take a look at what do we have for Aussie CAD. Okay, Aussie CAD. So let's take a look at Aussie CAD first, and now Aussie CAD tentatively, we have a retracement up there going up, and now. We are at the door between this area, okay, which is either is coming back for the bear or it's going to shoot up to do the bull. Okay, so we are at the verge here. So tentatively, for me, I will not prefer to sell this, okay, because tentatively looking at this Aussie CAD, it seems like I don't know, we have some opportunity. Okay, we still have some opportunity, but it's not that clear yet. Okay, it's not that clear yet. So tentatively, by looking at Aussie CAD over here, it has tested the resistance up there. Okay, now it's hovering around this area whether to become a bull or a bear. So although we have opportunity to sell, okay, but it has gone for last hour, then tentatively we are now on the support. So the resistance is the same. Okay, however, as you can see the escalation, okay, now it's still having a higher lows towards the resistance, which also a kind of a sign of strength to test the resistance once again. So tentatively, for now, I won't be selling. Probably later on or second half of the day, it may have a chance to sell. Okay, all right. So are we going to focus on this? I would prefer not to today. All right. Okay, so Aussie franc. Let's go with Aussie franc. Okay, Aussie franc. What we have? Aussie franc, we are in the bear. However, the retracement yesterday has a very big pullback, and today it looks like we have a chance to sell off. Okay, but then again, let's check where is the resistance. Right, seems like the resistance over here has been tested. Okay, so right now we have tested the resistance over here. So where is the support at the moment? Okay, I will see that the nearest support is here. Okay. So we are quite near to a stage whereby it may become a higher low. Okay, so this may also give us a signal that shall we actually start trading on this? Right, I would say that probably we have to gauge. Okay, Aussie franc, I will prefer to wait because right now, as you can see over here, we have a very minor support here. So if this minor support managed to break, then we will have another 20 pips. Okay, so Aussie franc, yes, we can pay attention to this for selling. Okay, all right. So Aussie franc into my watch list. Okay, yes. Next to go Aussie yen. Aussie yen. Hi Roger, nice to see you. All right, thank you for sharing. All right, so over here, Aussie yen. Looking at this Aussie yen, right? It seems like it's coming back for a retesting today. All right, so Aussie yen over here, as we are going to look out for the resistance first. So over at this point here, we have one resistance level. Okay, so before it actually tested the resistance, form up a new resistance right below. And this is what I say, this is going to be a head and shoulder, as you can see. Not very obvious, okay, but it seems like the head and this is something that we can take for reference as a resistance over here as well. So for the support wise, no change. Okay, support wise has no change. Aussie yen, we still have a chance to sell today. Okay, we still have a chance to sell today. So just need to pay attention to see when is the right time to sell. Okay, Aussie yen. So Aussie yen currently, although there's a chance to sell, but I'm not going to put this in my watch list. Okay, why is that so? Since there's a chance to sell, why don't you put this in the watch list? Because by looking at the whole general strength over here, now this support has been tested once, a higher support has been created, and this is the level where the higher support may be coming in. So I will prefer not to. Okay, I prefer not to. I will just stay away from here. Okay, so yeah, so next to go Aussie Kiwi. Aussie Kiwi, we are still in the bull running through. Okay, so right now, is there any selling opportunity from here? I would say tentatively, I would still say no yet. Okay, so I'm going to skip this. Aussie dollar. Let's take a look at Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar, we are now having another round of selling. Okay, so looks like selling is quite possible right now after the retracement yesterday, pulling back, and it hits on the trending. Is still now going back for the trending market. So retesting of the support is highly possible. Okay, the over here. Okay, so we still have about Aussie dollar. We still have about 45 pips. Okay, so I'm going to put this Aussie dollar. Okay, I'm going to put Aussie dollar into my watch list. So highly possible there may be a chance to sell already. Okay, so take a look at now the situation. Okay, the selling has passed one round. So let's wait for a little bit of pullback. Okay, before we actually start to sell. Right. So yes. Loading. Okay. So just wait for a little pullback. Have a better selling point. Then we will start selling from here. Okay. So Aussie dollar is quite good. Now Euro Aussie today we are having a retracement in the bear market. So that means buying is possible, but it's anti-trend. So I'm going to skip this. So EUROCAD, let's take a look at EUROCAD over here. EUROCAD, we are in the bear. Okay, but today EUROCAD, it seems like there's a retracement again. Okay, so let's see if the support level should be here and the resistance level should be right here. So around this area. So looking at this, EUROCAD may have a chance to actually pull back all the way up to the resistance level before it actually can start selling. Okay, or alternatively, we can wait for it to break the support first, then we have a new resistance below, then we will start selling. Okay, right. So yeah, Euro pound as usual, I'm going to skip this. Okay, right. So Euro yen. Okay, Euro yen, well, it looks good. Coming back for the selling in the bear market now. So since it's in the bear, we are going to look out for support as well as also look out for the resistance. Ah, shit. Okay, so okay, so I'm going to pull this down, support level. Okay, where's the support? Okay, the next support level will be here. Okay, so roughly will be here. So tentatively for euro yen, okay, euro yen over here, the resistance stays the same, no change. And as you can see, one wave over here and another wave retest the support and they become a trending market. So at the moment, at this moment, okay, as I can see, if this is a trading market, I should be looking out for the resistance over here, right? So once it tested this resistance, okay, then it's not breaking, there will be another chance of selling down. So for here, we have about 50 pips, 50. Yes, okay. So in this case, probably we may have a good chance that we can continue the selling. All right. So euro yen, I'm going to put this into my watch list. Okay, euro yen. Okay. Okay, euro yen. Okay, so now next thing to go is euro kiwi. Right, euro kiwi over here. Oh, well. Euro kiwi, we are still in the bull. So tentatively the pullback in the bull. So I'm not going to trade the anti-trend. So I'm going to skip this. Euro dollar. Let's take a look at euro dollar. So euro dollar over here, euro dollar, we are now coming back into bear. So that is good. So once again, we are now very near to the support, correct? But the support now has broken, and now let's look out for another lower support that actually will give us a better chance. Okay, so at this point here, as you can see, the support, we are right on the support now. Am I right? So right on the support at this point here. Euro dollar, since that's the case, we have only one choice, that is to wait for it to break the support. Okay, with a new resistance below, then we will be able to sell. If not, this is quite dangerous. Okay, so euro dollar, please take note. And I'm going to put euro dollar into the list for selling because wait for it to break the support, then we will be able to sell. Okay, all right. So next to go, let's see pound Aussie. Okay, let's take a look at pound Aussie. So pound Aussie. Again, pound Aussie is actually in the bull. Now hitting on the support is actually going with the trend to ride the bull. So pound Aussie tentatively nothing to see. We are not going to trade. Okay, pound CAD. Let's take a look at pound CAD. So pound CAD, we are in the bull, but retested the support, now becoming a pullback, a retracement. So today is a retracement day. I'm not going to trade this, right? So I'm waiting for the resistance, okay, before I start selling. So at this point, so I guess there's still a way to go, huh? So let's stay away from this. Pound franc, all right, pound franc. So pound franc over here, we also have retested the support and now zooming up again and now waiting for it to retrace downwards. So today looks like it's quite tough. Okay, so pound franc. Okay, pound franc. We are right on the, no, this is not the one. Pound franc is actually here. Okay, so we still have a way to go. So pound franc, just be careful that around this area, okay, around this area, we are going to set up another lower high that will continue to push. So tentatively, I'm going to stay away from this. Pound yen, let's take a look at pound yen. All right, pound yen. So pound yen over here, okay, we are actually now into the bear market. Okay, we are coming back for selling to retest the support level. So let's see where is it. Okay, so over at this point here, so yesterday pound yen we were talking about this resistance, am I right? So once it's breaking out, then no more. Okay, the buying is still possible until today is actually coming back for selling to retest the resistance as a support that will give a higher support to go higher high. All right, so tentatively, okay, let's wait for it. Either it breaks down into the resistance, then we can start trading. If not, no way. Okay, that's one. Okay, so for pound yen, I'm waiting for it to break the previous resistance as a support. Then I will start trading. Okay, so pound yen looks pretty good actually. Okay, so I put this into my list. Okay, so pound kiwi, we are in the bull, so nothing to talk about this because we are now riding the bull. All right, so pound dollar, let's take a look. Pound dollar, So pound dollar, same thing. Okay, we have a resistance. Yes, the previous resistance over at this point. Am I right? Okay, so at this point now, pound dollar is coming back to retest the resistance as a support. If it's managed to break below and retrace to retest the resistance here, and probably very likely it's going to swing down further. Okay, so pound dollar we still have a chance. Okay, because today looking at this, we are still in the bear. Okay, so currently we have a good chance, unless it actually breaks above. Okay, and then it will continue for the high. If not, it will still continue to sell. Okay, that's for pound dollar. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to put pound dollar into my watch list. Okay, pound dollar. Okay, next thing to go is dollar CAD. Dollar CAD. All right, dollar CAD. Dollar CAD. Yesterday was a good selling, and but the selling is temporary. Right now, as I can see, the selling off is not very promising. As I said, at this level, okay, we are going to have a pullback. So indeed, now it is having a pullback for the retracement, and it is going for a buy. Okay, to retest the resistance once again. Okay, so no for now. Okay, so pound franc is going on the buy side. Okay, so tentatively, I won't suggest of selling because it's too dangerous. Okay, pound yen. Pound yen. Alright, pound yen. So how about pound yen? Pound yen over here. Sorry, dollar yen, not pound yen. Sorry, it's dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen over at this point here. We are now looking at this dollar yen. Seems like dollar is actually meeting out with the resistance and don't seem to be breaking. Okay, don't seem to be breaking. However, okay, I will still prefer to wait for a while because right now we are still in the transition. So tentatively, there's a lot of turbulence in this area. I will not touch. Okay, I will skip this. All right, Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin. So right now, okay, we are heading 22. Okay, we have hit 22. I think this is quite a good one. All right. So yesterday in Beijing hour about 6 plus 7 o'clock. So I think that is the podcast has actually saying that Bitcoin is going to have a good push. So for people who have already entered and still going, I guess it is quite good. Okay, so Riano, yeah. No, I think this Bitcoin tentatively it is still quite good. Okay, but there's no sign of where it is going to stop. So tentatively, I would prefer that maybe 22, 27, 22.9. Okay, all right, sure. Thank you. Okay, so next to go. All right, I know a lot of people are quite concerned about this, as that day I just make a statement. Okay, so coming back here to gold trading over here, as we can see back in the bear. So in this bear, okay, over here I'm still looking at 17.25. It's still quite promising to sell down. So for gold trading over here, okay, we are going to wait for the right time. Okay, so to achieve that 17.24. Okay, so yeah, that's for gold. All right, yes. So that's all. Okay, let's take a look at what do we have here today. Okay, for currency selling over here, I'm looking at this pound franc, right? Pound franc. Sorry, Aussie franc, Aussie dollar, euro yen, euro dollar, pound yen, and pound dollar. Okay, all right, once again a reminder, this Sunday we are going to have Japan. We're going to have an election, so please do take note of the Monday gap. Okay, the gapping of the Monday, so just take note. All right, so last but not least, okay, I would like to wish you good luck in the trading with bountiful profits, and I will see you later on in the UK hour. And remember to smash the like button to show the appreciation, the effort, okay, behind the video. All right. So thank you so much, guys. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. I shall see you later in UK hours.